Hello everyone. This session is about cloud deployment model, which comes under Unit 3 from the course Cloud Computing. The code is CS8791. Let us see the introduction about cloud. Cloud refers to a network or internet in the sense cloud is the service that was provided through network. Cloud will be located in remote location and it can be accessed through the network. Network that was used is LAN, WAN, and VPN. VPN is virtual private network, which is used for secure connections. And through this network, we can able to access the cloud. And examples of cloud are Drive, Google Drive, Mail, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Let us see the simple definition about cloud computing. Cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. Ubiquitous in the sense the data which was stored in the cloud, it can be accessed from everywhere and we can able to access the data easily. And the resources such as network, servers, storage, and operating systems, applications. These are all the resources that was provided by the cloud providers. These resources can be allocated to the users based on their requirement and configuration. And before going inside cloud deployment model, let us see before the evaluation of cloud, if we want software, we will install the software in our host system. And after installation, it may affect the speed of the system and also it can affect some storage in our host system. But after the evaluation of cloud, this piece of software can be deployed in cloud environment and we can able to access the software through the network. So the cloud computing is making our business application mobile and collaborative. And to make the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end users, there were different services and models that was working behind it. Those working models are deployment model and service model. And based on the service, the cloud is classified as IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. And based on the deployment, the cloud is classified as private, public, hybrid, and community. Let us see one by one. Public. Here, the system and services will be access to the general public. It is less secure due to openness. User will be charged based on the extent of usage of the resources. The example of cloud, public cloud is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, IBM's Blue Cloud, Sun Cloud, and Google App Engine. In public cloud, cloud infrastructure and resources will be made available to the general public. The public cloud can also be owned by an organization and those organizations can be able to sell the services to the clients. This is the overview of public cloud. Here, the pool of resources was shown here. Those resources can be accessed by the general public and also it can be owned by an organization and those organizations can be able to serve the public through the public cloud. And private, here in private cloud, the system and services will be accessed within the organization. Only the people within the organization can be able to access the cloud. It is high secure and this cloud environment is accessible to the specific client. Here the pool of resources will be shared by the specific client and it can be accessed either by the consumer or by the third party. If the cloud environment is set inside the organization premises, it is called on-site cloud. And if it was provided by the third party, it is called outsourcing private cloud. Here, in this on-site private cloud, the cloud environment was set inside the organization. And here, the organization is going to use the resources provided by the third party. It is called outsourcing private cloud. And what does community cloud is? Community cloud here, system and services will be accessible by a group of organization. The group of organization having similar requirement will go for the community cloud. These organizations will share an infrastructure and in that infrastructure, the cloud environment will be established. It is called on-site community cloud. Similarly, as private cloud, on-site and outsourcing private cloud. We have on-site community and outsourcing community cloud. If those organizations, the group of organizations share an infrastructure, and within the infrastructure, if the cloud environment was established, it is called on-site community cloud. If the infrastructure and the cloud environment that was provided by the third party and it can be able to access by the group of organization, it is called outsourcing community cloud. An example is Google's cloud, government cloud. Here, the government department or the government official alone can able to access the cloud. Here, the organization having similar objective, security, and the policy can able to access the community cloud, and consumer can access local resources and also the resources of the participating organization. If more than one organization is accessing the community cloud, the consumer here can able to use the local resources or the resources that was allocated to the participating organization. And outsourcing community cloud is the community cloud that was provided by the cloud, community cloud that was provided by the third party. Here it is on-site community cloud. A group of organization which is going to access the cloud. This cloud is community cloud. The community cloud was built within the organization premises. Here, the group of organization is going to access the cloud, that is community cloud, that was provided by the third party. It is offsite premises. It is called outsourcing community cloud. If the cloud was established within the organization premises, it is called on-site. And if the group of organization is going to access the cloud that was provided by the third party, it is called outsourcing community cloud. Here the cloud environment will be provided by the third party and it is offsite premises. And the next one is hybrid cloud. It is a mixture of both public and private cloud. If consumer wants to perform both critical and non-critical activities, he can access hybrid cloud. He can able to perform the critical activities in private cloud and non-critical activities in public cloud. This is the way it is going to give a mixture of both cloud. It is called hybrid cloud. Here, two clouds together mix to form hybrid cloud. Hence, it is called combined cloud. The example of hybrid clouds are e-commerce, website, healthcare providers, media and entertainment, research and development. For example, in healthcare providers, if they are having application, there in the application, the patient want to enter their data or details in order to access the medical services. It will be launched in the public cloud, and they will be having some secure data. Those data that they don't want to be transparent, they will save those data, the patient's health issues, everything, the data about the health of the patient, it will be made secure and it will be stored in the private cloud. Hence, healthcare providers, they are using the mixture of both public and private cloud. Hence, they go for hybrid cloud. Thus, the hybrid cloud is a combination of both two or more cloud, and it is a combination of on-site private cloud, off-site private cloud, on-site community, and off-site community. This is the overview of hybrid cloud. See, the hybrid cloud is a combination of both private and public cloud. And the private is, it may be on-site private cloud and outsourcing private cloud. Similarly, it can be public. It is a combination of private, public, and community. The community may also on-site community cloud and outsourcing community cloud. The mixture of all those cloud is called hybrid cloud. Thank you.